Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic low-investment manufacturing business ideas. Using simple plastic molding machines. If you're looking for an entrepreneurial opportunity that's both accessible and potentially very profitable, then you're in the right place. These businesses are perfect for those starting small, perhaps even from home. Let's explore some great options. First up, we have custom plastic components. This is a versatile option, because almost every industry needs custom plastic parts. Think of creating specialized components for electronics, automotive, or even household goods. The beauty of this is that you can cater to a wide range of clients. The investment in a basic plastic molding machine, along with molds for the parts, is relatively low. The profit margin can be quite high, especially if you focus on unique, hard-to-find components. Marketing your services online, through local business networks and trade shows can attract clients. Next, let's look at producing plastic toys and novelties. This is a fun and creative business idea. With a simple plastic molding machine, you can design and manufacture toys, figurines, and promotional items. The toy market is always vibrant. Focus on creating unique designs or offering personalized products. You can sell these online through e-commerce platforms, at craft fairs, or even to local stores. The key here is to create appealing designs and keep your costs low. This is a great way to tap into the consumer market directly. Another excellent idea is creating plastic storage containers and organizers. Demand for storage solutions is consistently high. You can produce various sizes and shapes of containers, from small organizers to larger storage boxes. The molds are relatively straightforward to create, and the raw materials are easily sourced. You can sell these online, at flea markets, or even supply them to retail stores. Consider adding features like custom colors, sizes, or designs to differentiate your products. Then, we have plastic packaging solutions. Many businesses need packaging for their products. This could be anything from small containers for cosmetics, to protective cases for electronics. By offering custom packaging solutions, you cater to a wide range of industries. Focus on offering eco-friendly or innovative packaging designs to stand out. Market your services to local businesses, online stores, and through industry-specific websites. This is a very practical and in-demand business area. Lastly, let's not forget about promotional products and giveaways. Businesses frequently use promotional items, like keychains, pens, or branded accessories, to market their brand. With a plastic molding machine, you can produce these items at a low cost. Target local businesses and organizations to offer these services. The key is to offer unique and high-quality items at competitive prices. You can start small, expand based on demand, and even offer design services to your clients. This opens up doors for repeat business and long-term contracts. In summary, these low-investment manufacturing ideas, using plastic molding machines, offer numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs. With careful planning, a bit of creativity, and a focus on quality, you can create a successful business. Always remember to research your market, create a solid business plan, and start small. Good luck, and happy molding!